Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to enable or disable Windows Firewall in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So basically, Windows Firewall is a security feature in Windows operating system that helps to protect your device by filtering network traffic that enters and exits your device. By default, Windows Defender Firewall is enabled on your Windows 11 operating system. But in case if you ever need to disable it, here is how you can. So let's start with method 1. You can see that I have Windows Defender. Simply click on the Windows Defender or Microsoft Defender icon present on the taskbar. This will launch the Windows Security app. Click on the hamburger icon present there and select Firewall and Network Protection. Here you can see that under Firewall and Network Protection we have Domain Network Firewall is on, Private Network Firewall is on, Public Network Firewall is on. Now I'll just turn it off for domain network. Just click on the domain network and turn off the option Microsoft Defender Firewall. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. And here you can see that domain firewall is off is mentioned here. Similarly, you can go back and disable the firewall for private network and also for the public network. So this was our first and easiest method to disable the firewall on the device. Remember, you must turn on firewall again in case if you want to keep your system safe and secure. Then we have our second method. In this case, we will use control panel to enable or disable Windows Defender Firewall. Just open the control panel. Go to System and Security, then Windows Defender Firewall. Here you can see that I have the firewall disabled since I tried the steps in the previous method. Here you have to click on the Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off link, and there you got the page to configure the Windows Defender Firewall. Previously it is turned off on my device. I have just turned it on back for both private and public network settings and just clicked on OK, and my Windows Defender Firewall is on again, which was previously turned off. So this is how you can configure it using the control panel. Up next we have method number 3. In this case we will use Windows PowerShell to enable or disable Windows Defender Firewall. Simply right click on the start button and select Terminal Admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In the Windows PowerShell tab you have to paste this command and that will disable the Windows Defender Firewall once the command executed successfully, as you can see in this video. And in case if you want to turn on the firewall again, you have to just substitute the AND parameter to true, and once you do that, just press the enter key and you can notice the Windows Defender icon on the taskbar. It changed from red to green. That means the Windows Defender Firewall is turned on back. And lastly we have method number 4. In this case we will use the command prompt. Simply search for command prompt and from search result select run as administrator. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. Once the command prompt window opens, paste this command from the video description and press the enter key. This will disable the Windows Defender Firewall for all the profiles that are domain, public and private. Here you can see that it said OK. And we immediately got the notification to turn on Windows Firewall because it is now turned off. In case if you want to turn on back the Windows Defender Firewall, you can substitute this command with the AND parameter as on, and here you can see that once you press the enter key, Windows Defender Firewall is on, as you can notice with the Windows Defender icon present on the taskbar. And this command was basically for all the profiles. In case if you want to turn off Windows Defender Firewall for a specific profile such as for domain profile, you have to just substitute all profiles with domain profile. And in case if you want it for public profile, just write the public profile there. And in case if you want to write it for private profile, you can write the private profile in this command. And then you can specifically turn off the Windows Defender Firewall for the specific profile. remember to ensure that your Microsoft Defender firewall stays turned on, because if it is turned off for a very long time, it may make your device vulnerable and non-secure for all. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, to like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.